My Brother design and craft printer can do so many things. Lots of my friends are getting married lately, so one of the things I wanted to do was to create a place for wedding guests to leave their greeting cards. With the 50mm roll in my Brother printer, I'm just going to select New Design from the home page. I make my workspace about 65mm and select Type. For my first tag, I type the letter C. I change the font to one that I think works well within this design. I'm just going to enlarge this to make it easier to work with and then rotate it 90 degrees. I then change the colour to brown and approve all the changes. To put the letter over a nice image, I select Art and then Wedding. I resize and rotate the picture and then select Print. I've pre-cut 5 tags and used a lacy border punch across the bottom of each, knotting a piece of lace through the top hole. I cut, peel off the backing paper and stick it to the tag. I then do the same again until I have all my letters, and then use pegs and a length of twine to hang the tags from the basket.